Imagine two people, same salary, same city, same job. 10 years later, one is wealthy, the other is still broke. Why? Not intelligence, not luck. Habits. Small habits repeated every day. That's what changes everything. Today, we're uncovering 5 money habits keeping millions of people poor. Habit 1. Spending whatever is left over. Most people save what's left after spending. The problem? Nothing is ever left. Bills, shopping, subscriptions, unexpected expenses. The money disappears. Wealthy people do the opposite. They save first, then spend what's left. Automation beats motivation. Pay yourself first. Habit 2. Chasing the appearance of wealth. Luxury cars, designer clothes, expensive watches. Many people look rich, but aren't rich. Looking rich costs money. Being rich makes money. Every dollar spent on status is a dollar that can't grow. Buy things because you love them, not because you want approval. Habit 3. Ignoring small expenses. It's only $5. It's only $10. Sounds harmless, but repeated every day, small expenses become huge. Thousands of dollars disappear every year. Small leaks sink big ships. Track your money, because awareness creates control. Habit 4. Waiting for the perfect moment. People wait and wait and wait. They'll start next month, next year, when life gets easier. But time is the biggest advantage in investing. The sooner you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Don't wait. Start small. Just start. Habit 5. Believing more income solves everything. Many people think a bigger paycheck will fix everything. Usually it doesn't, because spending grows too. This is lifestyle inflation. Income doesn't create wealth. The gap between income and spending creates wealth. The bigger the gap, the more freedom you have. The turning point. Wealth rarely comes from one big decision. It comes from small actions repeated consistently. One transfer, one investment, one smart choice at a time. Eventually, momentum takes over, and momentum becomes freedom. Conclusion. You don't need to change everything today. Just start changing one habit. Save first. Avoid status traps. Watch small expenses. Start now. Keep more of what you earn, because the next 5 years will pass anyway. The question is, will you be in the same place, or will you finally be building wealth? The choice starts with the next dollar. Make it count. Outro. Subscribe to Money Nova for more videos on wealth, investing, and financial freedom. See you in the next one.